Nothing should come between you and fresh, hot, crispy.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valdez School District. A workspace danger warning is in effect for Valdez Schoolhouse and all immediate district campuses. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports indicated a severe escalation in disciplinary measures by the principal of the thing. The principal has begun enforcing an expanded list of arbitrary school rules with zero tolerance, even new rules which did not exist before. Staff and students are being reprimanded and placed in detention for actions that do not violate standard student conduct code. Hazard: unwarranted administrative detention. Source: the principal of the thing. Impact: sudden displacement to the detention room. Repeated infractions will result in increased detention times, up to 99 seconds or more. Precautionary/preparedness actions: to avoid encountering the principal, all persons within the schoolhouse must adhere to the following emergency rules. No running, no whistling, no eating or drinking, no entering faculty-only rooms, no looking at posters. If you encounter the principal, do not run. Running will trigger an immediate detention response. Maintain a walking pace and avoid direct eye contact. Do not attempt to use the safety scissors or other school supplies in a manner that could be perceived as misbehavior. Local authorities are attempting to negotiate with the principal to restore normal disciplinary standards. Until then, walk slowly and follow all posted signage. If anything makes you feel uncomfortable, feel free to privately talk to Valdez, or even leave the schoolhouse with Valdez's approval. This concludes the workspace danger warning for the Valdez School District.
The forecast for your area.